Okay guys, I just wanted to show a few people what they might be doing wrong here. In the current exercise, I'm going to recreate part of this. I just want to show you how you could create this neon. Alright, so in here, let's say I wanted to get the first thing you have to do is you have to set the size of the brush properly. Well, you're really setting the size of the pen tool head, but you do that with a brush. So you don't need a soft brush, you need a hard brush. And then as you can see, this brush is too big, right? That's black. So we're gonna make it white just so we can see it. If you see, I had to pick and choose white. I'm running 3 screens at home. So look, that's way too big. Okay, so I do Command Z, get rid of that. And let's make it smaller. I'm on a hard round pressure size, right? And that's even too big, right? So Command Z, right? Just a second. Let me try this. Ooh, still too big. So go down a little bit more, and I'm figuring out. I like that. So I'm figuring out my size that I need to be. That's what I'm figuring out there. Okay. So here, let me see. I'm gonna go and redraw. Now, one of the reasons why this is advanced is because one thing that I was trying to tell you is if you're good in Photoshop, like, you can create practically anything. Okay, and you see how it's doing that? It's doing that now because it's on path. It's on shape, I mean. You see that? It should be on path. So I'm gonna come back out of there, backed all the way out. And you guys haven't learned about this. You're gonna know something after this exercise. But alright, so now I have this path. I do. So now I can do something with this path. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new layer. And then if I right click on here, let's see what's gonna happen. Right click, go to stroke path, and it's already on brush. And let's see if it makes a nice little path for me. Aha, look at that. So that's step 1. You see how this would not have worked if I did not have the right size brush head, which creates the pen head, the correct pen size. And then later on we go in and we do all kinds of stuff, right? And then the video is advanced, so because it's advanced, if he's making changes, he may only change this or this or this, but you have to look at the screen and make sure that all the settings that he has is like yours. Like, I know he has stuff set on normal, but some of y'all, like on mine, it was set to screen. So that's gonna look different. That's gonna make it look different. So I'd have to make it look normal, and I'm not watching the video. I'm going off the dome right now. Alright, and then I know this was on softer. I know that was set there. Alright, I know this one was set to contour. Most of y'all will have it like that. You see how it changed it? But I know it was set to that. And then I know it had to be set to center. See how that changes that? Alright, and there was something else. I can't remember if it was the range. Yeah. Something like that. So that's the inner glow. Okay. And then I know he also modifies the outer glow. You see that? So you're already seeing the changes up here. Okay. And I think he brought the opacity all the way up. And then I think he changed the size. You see that? I'm just saying, you gotta, if you're not watching the video, some people are not watching the video. If you're not watching the video, like, you wouldn't know what to do. Alright, I'm trying to help people out. Alright, thanks for watching.